Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do walk around on this 22-foot Scout Bay boat. It's a huge bow area, great platform, stable, wide, good walk around area. Either side of the console. These fish boxes are some of the deepest that I've seen in this class. This area here is it's almost waist deep. Take a look at the photos. Designated anchor storage, another huge fish box over there, live well under here, coming around the sides, leaning post, removable backrest, footrest down there, newer 300 horsepower Yamaha, 144 hours on it. This boat's got to be a rocket ship. Autopilot, storage in the back deck here, onboard battery charger, sitting on a nice tandem axle trailer as well. Nice fishing rig, guys. If you got any questions about the boat, give me a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.